You made some bold claims over there about the P2S being superior to the X1C. Care to defend that?
Yeah, I can't. Okay, well, do you know anywhere on paper where the X1C is better than the P2S?
No, not at all. I haven't
Because
been
I think
following them too closely.
I'll be super honest with you. They're incredibly similar printers, but
I know I was seeing it in your latest video. It looks just like the X1C.
it looks just like an X1C. But the thing is, the P2S is a second generation product, so there's all these like nice little touches that as you use it you come to appreciate. Like the bottom of it doesn't have a lip, so nothing gets trapped in the bottom of it. You can just sweep it out, and just all the injection molded parts are like a little bit smoother. All the tolerances are a little bit tighter.
Does it have the LiDAR system to it as well? Like I know the P1S didn't have the LiDAR.
I don't think it has the LiDAR system, but to be honest with you, LiDAR system I could live without.
Most of the time it doesn't work.
Most of the time it does not work. That's correct. And it also takes longer to do the like LiDAR authentication runner. You know how like the flow calibration is more complex on? Yeah. And the P2S also has quick change nozzles, which I really appreciate.
That's a nice touch. Yeah.
Yeah. Changing on the old system was a little bit of a pain.
I just wouldn't change it.
Although I got a bunch of nozzles I got to go through first.
I would, if I had to pick between the two, I would do P2S, but if there was a big price discrepancy, if the X1C was cheaper, I might go that way too.
Yeah, they don't have a price on the P2S yet.
Yeah, really?
And actually, that $7.99 sale that you saw on Best Buy, Bamboo's running it on their website as well.
Okay.
But that's not the combo deal. I think the Best Buy claimed to have the combo deal, which I thought was like, that's a crazy good deal. I can't imagine.
Yeah.
They're making much money off that.
Yeah.
They're just trying to clear out their inventory.
Well, that's what I think there's got to be. I don't have any inside knowledge here, but I have to assume there's an X2C coming right around the corner because the gap between the X1C and the P2S is too close right now.